Guys, look at this amaranth plant. Not sure what is happening. The heat is on, and that might be a factor why this is looking like this. Variegation. So we have some variegated leaves happening right here. Looks pretty, but I'm not sure what this is about. And so we won't eat these leaves any at all. All right, so today we're talking about one vegetable that you can grow and harvest forever. If you're new here, my name is Soroya. Welcome to Blessings from the Garden. Now, the vegetable to which I'm speaking about is, you may know it as green onions. We know it as scallion in Jamaica. You can plant this vegetable once and harvest many times from it as long as you take good care of it. So we're going to plant this out today, and we're going to put them in some containers, right around our containers, in our different containers, and we'll talk some more about it. So we're just adding them to our different containers. All right, so green onions, scallion, spring onions, whatever you call them, they're very versatile. You can add them to your soups, you can add them to your egg dishes, and you can even garnish with them. Oh, one way that we like to use them is to put them in our salad. Yes, they enhance the salad quite a bit. And one of the ways that we like to use them is in our marinade, especially with soy sauce, especially when you're doing jerk fish, or you might do your jerk chicken right in the marinade. It goes along with your ginger, your pepper, your pimento, all those kind of seasonings. Give it a nice flavor. And do you know that you can also add them to your sandwiches? Yes, your grilled sandwiches, whether it's cheese sandwich, any kind of sandwich that you want, you can add the green onions to your sandwiches. They are versatile just like that. So how about planting out some green onions? Oh, one other use for them in the garden. We use them in the garden a lot to, ward off pests. So we tend to plant them around our brassicas because, man, those culprits, they tend to eat down our brassicas, right? So you can apply green onions around the perimeter of your brassicas. So that's one way that we also use green onions in the garden. Trying to pollinate, help pollinate. So just gently tap to release the pollens. This is an eggplant. All right, so how do you plant it out? All you need to do is just to get a bundle of scallion spring onions or green onions from your local supermarket or in the market. And all you need to do is just to cut way towards the base of it, just like this. That's it. And I'm just going to remove the plastic. And there we have it. So these are all ready to be planted out. And I'm going to do it with you again, just for reinforcement. This part here, the top part, will not be thrown out. You can use this to cook. So we'll still have this to use and this to plant out. All right. All right, so I'm going to plant them in this grow bag. And that's how easy it is to get your spring onions, green onions, or scallion. Very easy. So you harvest every single time around, plant once, harvest forever. All right, so this is something easy that you can start out with, especially for beginner gardeners. So we have some mulberry to harvest, and thanks to Stacey who gave Jojo the plant, we have some mulberries that are on the plant and they're ready to be picked. All right, you can. Yes, Stacey, gardening with Stacey. So you can go and check out her. No, not cousin Stacey, but our garden friend Stacey, gardening with Stacey. You can go and check out her channel. We will provide a link for you to do so. So we're going
subscribe to our channel, then Gardening Stacey channel, and comment down below.
Okay. Up. All right, so
make sure G for gardening and S for Stacey.
Okay, so we are going to pick those mulberries now. We do hope that you enjoy this green onion segment. Plant once, harvest forever, as long as you treat the plants right. Do start a garden one content at a time. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.
Bye.